The topic we are going to discuss about is chemistry of hydrocarbons, and the subtopic is preparation of alkenes. Following are the methods which we will discuss in detail in the upcoming slides, and these are dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides, dehydration of alcohols, dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalides, and the last one is partial hydrogenation of alkynes. So the first method is dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides on heating with alcoholic KOH undergo dehydrohalogenation. जब हम alkyl halides को alcoholic KOH के साथ react करवाते हैं, they undergo dehydrohalogenation, यानी कि हाइड्रोजन भी उतर जाते हैं और halogens भी remove हो जाते हैं. Elimination of a hydrogen atom together with a halogen atom from adjacent carbon atoms is known as dehydrohalogenation. Let's see its examples. Here we have a general reaction जिसमें here we have a alkyl molecule और यहाँ पे halogen का atom है. जब हम alcoholic KOH के साथ react करवाएंगे, it will form an alkene. KX and H2O will be removed. यहाँ पे we have ethyl bromide. इसे हमने react करवाया KOH. In the presence of alcohol, it will form ethene and side products will be KBr plus H2. Similarly, here we have propyl bromide. It will yield propene plus KBr plus H2. Another method is dehydration of alcohols. Alcohols, when dehydrated in the presence of a catalyst, give alkene. Best procedure is कि आप alcohol vapors को heated alumina के साथ treat करवा दें. Reaction क्या है? Alcohol को जब आप at 340 to 450 degrees Celsius alumina के साथ treat करवाते हैं, it will yield alkene. क्योंकि ये dehydration reaction था, तो water remove हो जाएगा. So now let's see कौन-कौन से catalyst हम dehydration के लिए use कर सकते हैं. These are P4H10, concentrated H2SO4, H3PO4. The ease of hydration is tertiary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and primary alcohols. So let's see its examples. Primary alcohol के लिए catalysts are 75% H2SO4 at 140 degree to 170 degree Celsius temperature, it will yield alkene. अगर हमारे पास secondary alcohol है, then we need 60% H2SO4 at 100 degrees Celsius temperature and it will yield again an alkene. And for tertiary alcohol, we need just 20% H2SO4 क्योंकि tertiary alcohol सबसे easily dehydrate हो रहा था. इसीलिए हमें जो catalyst है उसकी amount कम चाहिए. Secondary alcohol उससे कम था, इसलिए उसे हमें 60% चाहिए था और सबसे resistant primary alcohol था. That's why we use 75% of H2SO4. और ये सारे जितने भी alcohols हैं जब ये dehydrate होंगे तो they will yield alkenes. The next method is dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides have two halogens on adjacent carbon atoms. Dehalogenation occurs when dihalide is treated with zinc dust in an anhydrous solvent like methanol or acetic acid. जब भी आप किसी भी dihalide को, vicinal dihalide को zinc dust के साथ treat करेंगे in the presence of methanol or acetic acid, you will get alkene. Here we have some examples. This is vicinal dihalide. जब हमने इसको methanol के presence में zinc के साथ treat किया, it will yield an alkene. And here we have dry bromobutane treated with zinc in the presence of methanol, it will yield 2-butene plus zinc bromide. And the last method is partial hydrogenation of alkynes. Controlled hydrogenation of alkynes with hydrogen gas in an equimolar ratio over heated catalyst gives alkenes. Catalyst is finely divided to palladium, supported on barium sulfate and poisoned by the treatment of quinoline, और इस catalyst को हम कहते हैं Nieder's catalyst. If we want to obtain transalkene, then we treat alkyne with sodium in liquid ammonia at -32 डिग्री सेल्सियस. लिंडर्स कैटलिस्ट जो है वो सिस alkene देते हैं, जबकि sodium in liquid ammonia will yield transalkene. Here we have reactions. We have an alkyne treated with hydrogen in the presence of palladium, barium sulfate and quinoline. So जो प्रोडक्ट मिलती है वो हमें सिस अल्कीन मिलती है, ना कि ट्रांस अल्कीन. लेकिन जब हम इसी अल्कीन को हाइड्रोजन के साथ ट्रीट करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम एंड लिक्विड अमोनिया एट -30 डिग्री सेल्सियस, we will get a trans alkene. Let's discuss a question. Which of the following is not used for dehydration of alcohols? And the options are P4H10, HNO3, H2SO4, H3PO4. And the correct option is HNO3. So nitric acid को हम use नहीं करते. So this was all about the preparation of alkenes. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.